some delicious rice and peas with the peas from the can. If you're interested in this one, come let's do this one together. All right, so today we are working with some dark kidney beans, and we're going to use the same exact season that we would normally use for the regular red kidney beans, which is the scallion, thyme, pepper, some coconut milk. I'm using the pack coconut milk, 1 can of red kidney beans. We have some crushed garlic and pimento seeds, with salt, a little black pepper, maybe a piece of butter. But let's get this going. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, I cut up the scallion. And for this method, cut up a scallion. Usually, mother say you can leave it whole and mash it, but we have cut them up. Alright, so we have a scallion, we have some thyme, also I cut up the pepper. Alright, some phone ring, so I don't know if they make it to make it. So we have pepper, couple seeds in there, but not much. Now I'm gonna do a thing. And we have some garlic and about 10 pimento seeds in this, or 8. So I'm just gonna pick out 2 cloves, add it to this and just crush it. Alright, and then we have that. And for the coconut milk, we usually just add some hot water to it. About 2 cups. And then we'll combine that. And for the 1 can of bean, I'm using half of this. Alright, and we're setting that aside. Alright, so for the canned peas, we're going to drain it. I thought it had more liquid. And we're going to save the liquid. We're going to save the liquid because we're going to use the liquid because we want to keep the color. And this is what the liquid looks like. It's just a little bit. I don't know why I think I'm more in there. And then we're going to set this aside also. And remember, save the liquid. Alright guys, so the chicken fat, after the chicken, I fry it. I'm gonna get that oil here, so I'm gonna use this oil to fry up the seasoning. Right. So I'm gonna go in with 1 spoonful. Alright, so now we are going with the garlic, pimento seed, and cloves. I'm just gonna saute this. Also gonna go in with the scallion, thyme, and pepper. Also just saute this. Alright, so once it starts smelling like nice aroma, you know it's time to add the peas. So this is why we drain it off, because I want to kind of saute the peas before you add the liquid to it. And now let's finish. Take the time, build up the flavor. So now we're going with the coconut milk, also the peas water, alright, so we can bring back a little color inside of the peas. Also gonna add some water, rinse the pan, pour that in. to the pot. I'll cover it back. Allow everything to come together, and then we taste, and then we're gonna adjust and figure out what else we need. Alright, so because we are trying mimic with authentic rice and peas, I'm gonna tie up my scallion and thyme and add one whole of pepper in it. So that when we open the pot, it have that authentic look. Alright, so I'm just clean up this some scallion. Alright. Have some thyme. Mincy so. Alright. I'm gonna grab one pepper. I'm gonna just wash them here. This, guys, remember this is just for presentation purposes because we already add scallion and thyme to the pot, but we are trying to mimic the authentic Jamaican look. So that's why I'm going in with some scallion and thyme. Alright. I'm gonna do it. God. She want to be near the camera. Yeah, run from the camera. Alright. Never proceed. Nothing wrong with some extra flavor. And then for the pepper, we have pierced it. Optional. Alright, so let's see what this is giving. Alright, so we are going at a scallion and thyme and pepper. Alright. So we're going to scrape down all the goodness here inside of the pot. Taste and adjust to our liking. Sugar, please, I'm sorry, this need little sugar. This need little sugar. Me that try avoid to put the sugar in there, but it need it. So we're going with a spoon of sugar. We might have to take out the pepper, you know, because it's spicy. Perfect. Alright, so we're gonna wash the rice now. Going to add more rice. Combine that nicely. Guys, the liquid should only be 1 inch above the rice. If it is more than 1 inch, please go in and take some out. After you combine that nicely, you cover the pot. Alright, so the stove is on medium heat. Once it starts bubble, you'll hear it, you turn it down on low, right? After 15-20 minutes, go in and check on your rice. Once all the liquid is dried out from the rice and peas, you're gonna go in and remove
your scallion and thyme from the pot. We're also going to move the hot pepper from the pot. And guys, make sure you fluff your rice. Fluffing the rice releases the excess steam from the pot and allow your rice to be fluffy and shelly and nice. If some of the grains of the rice are hard, you can add a little liquid to the pot, maybe like a spoon, a small spoon of liquid. Just drop it in the center of the pot and allow it to steam some more, and it should be perfect. Cover that and let it steam for another 5-7 minutes and you should be good.
Alright, so the rice must done now.
After that 5-7 minutes, your rice should be looking something like this. Fluffy, nice, hairy, shelly. Yep.
If you have made it this far, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.